I'm an orphan crying, can't you see me dying, dying while the world watches, debating who's right as they fight for might, and what about me? Now I have nowhere to hide. Why aren't you on my side? Your leaders arms provide, orphan decide. My house is blown away. They ask no food, they say. Where will I sleep today? Where do I stay? They say they are fighting, rebels who are hiding. Tell me who hides as infant. We are scared children with nowhere to run, as our world is made to burn, living in ruins. Are not we humans? Is our blood cheaper than yours? When we die, no one cries. Death excused with lies, just a number in their eyes. Now I have nowhere to hide. Why aren't you on my side? Your leaders arms provide, orphan decide.